assessment for Excel skill for business advance. Let's see how we can do it. To get the period start date, first you need to have period end date. And to get this, you just need to type function called AO month. Select the start date, press comma, put 0, press enter. Now select the end date, +1, put enter. Drag it to the BN. Do the same with this. Now to get the month, we need to type function called month. Select the end date, press enter. Now to get the calendar year, we need to type the year, select the date and press enter. Do the same. Here you can see that we have our start and end date with the month and with the year. Now to get this revenue and expenses, you just need to copy the formula from the equation sheet, and for this expense just replace the F11 with F12. The remaining formula will be the same. Now let's calculate this revenue. Put is equal to, select this, asterisk, go to the input sheet and select this, press enter. Now drag it up to the BN. Now to get the COGS, the minus, select this, asterisk, go to the input sheet, select this, cost of Jesus, press enter, and now drag the formula. And now to get the gross margin, just need to add sum up. Now drag the formula. Now the final task is calculate the expenses. Press is equal to, select this, put the asterisk, go to the input tab, select expense, press the enter. Now drag the formula to put the minus because it is expense. Now drag the formula up to the end. Here we have our values. Now for the net income, it is equal to sum of the values, this one and this one. Here we have our net value. Now you need to sum all the function you have. Just drag the cell a little bit more and we have our values. So we have completed the sheet. You can answer according to this. Thanks for watching us. Please don't forget to subscribe us.